In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Method CRM for ESignature functionality in QuickBooks Online. By the end of this guide, you'll be well equipped to seamlessly enhance your invoicing process, making everything more efficient and professional. Let's get started by navigating to your QuickBooks Online dashboard. On the left panel, you'll notice a section labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway to all the tools you can integrate with QuickBooks to improve your business operations. Once there, look for the tab that says Find Apps. This is where you'll be able to explore a variety of applications designed to increase your productivity. In the search bar, type in Method CRM and hit Enter. Method CRM is an excellent tool that integrates effortlessly with QuickBooks Online, offering remarkable features, especially for ESignature functionality. Once you've found Method CRM in the search results, go ahead and select it. This action will direct you to a page dedicated to Method CRM. Here, you can peruse all the details about what Method CRM can offer to your business. You'll see a rundown of the benefits, which notably include the instant creation and sharing of estimates and invoices, enhanced by the addition of ESignature functionality. Just imagine how much smoother your operations will run when your clients can easily sign documents digitally, cutting down on unnecessary delays and paperwork. If you've decided that Method CRM is the right fit for you, it's time to integrate it with your existing QuickBooks setup. At the top right corner of the Method CRM page, you'll find a button that says Get App Now. Click on it and you'll initiate the integration process. As you proceed, you'll be guided through a straightforward authentication and connection sequence. QuickBooks will walk you through each step to ensure that your accounts are properly linked and secured. Make sure you follow each instruction closely to avoid any errors. Once everything is connected, you're all set to start leveraging the full benefits of this integration. The ability to manage your invoices and quotes with ESignature capability is just a few clicks away. It's a great way to streamline your workflow, save time, and provide an enhanced service to your customers. This integration allows you to focus on what truly matters, growing your business and keeping your clients happy. And that's all there is to it. You have now successfully connected Method CRM for ESignature functionality in QuickBooks Online. Enjoy the newfound efficiency, and don't hesitate to explore other integrations that could benefit your business. Thank you for watching, and happy invoicing.